So today we are talking about groups of 10, and I just wanted to show you some things that we've been talking about in class. This, if you look over here, is called a unit cube. A unit cube means 1. So if I have 1 unit cube, that means 1. If I have 2 unit cubes, there's 2. 3, 4, and so on. So let's go ahead and put out 10 unit cubes. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 whole unit cubes there. So I can take these 10 unit cubes and I'm going to grab them and I'm going to trade them out for this. This is called a long. A long is just a group of 10. You can look and count and there's going to be 10 unit cubes in here. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 unit cubes in this long. Today we're just going to call them a group of 10. So if you look here, I have 1 group of 10. My marker. So this is 1, how do they say that? 1 tens. Or it could be 10. So 1 tens equals 10. So then, we'll erase this. Now I have 2 out here. So I have 1, 2 tens, and 2 tens equals 20. And that just means that there are 20 unit cubes, or 20, like this means 1. Like 1 unit cube is 1. So if there's 2 groups of 10, that means there's 20 little like individual ones all together. Okay, so let's erase this. If I put out this many, just think for a second, how many groups of 10 do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 groups of 10. But then we also need to think about how many individual little cubes there are. So if I have 5 groups of 10, an easy way to find out how many ones you have is just by counting by 10. So you can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 groups of 10 equals 50 little blocks. Okay, I'm going to try one more with you. Go ahead. I want you to count each group of 10 on that board right there. Okay, now I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 groups of 10. These are each a group of 10. 8 groups of 10 here. Now don't forget, we need to count each individual cube, but we don't want to actually count each individual cube. If it's a group of 10, all you have to do is go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So when you go ahead and go do your math pages after this, just remember a group of 10 will look like one long thing of cubes. That's a group of 10, but one group of 10, 1, 10 equals like that. Just looks like that, okay? I hope that makes sense. Let me know if it doesn't, okay, bud? Thanks.